Hi everybody, this is Mr. Wolf. I'm recording this video to show you how to use OBS Studio to record your Rocket League screen when you're playing on the computers at District 109. The first thing that you're going to want to make sure you do is that you already have Rocket League open. You can see I've already got it open. On this computer, there's a shortcut down here where you can just double click and open it up. The reason that you're going to want to have it open already is because when you get to your scenes and you open up OBS, you're going to want to make sure that that window is active and alive. If it's not, it won't be found by OBS. So first thing you do is open up Rocket League, then you open up OBS Studio. You can see it over here, and you can see that I have an open window because I'm using OBS Studio to record this tutorial. Once you've got it open, you can go to the Rocket League settings, go to game capture, and you can see then that it will only capture the Rocket League window. You can see the window here where you can choose the different things that are open. This is where if you have not opened up Rocket League yet, it would not be recognized here. So you need to have Rocket League open so that you can select it in there. All the other settings and features and audio and everything else that is needed for this is already set. So please don't mess with the settings down here. Don't mess with any of the other features or anything because I have configured each of the computers to capture Rocket League in its best setting. Once that's gone, you would just hit start recording. You would then play the game, blah blah blah, play the game, play. When you're done, you can save a replay on the game, or you can be recording while you're playing, however you want to save it. So if you want to just go now and go to a replay, you can do that. The replays would be over here in your profile. If you go to profile and replays, you can see no replays have been saved, but that's one way if you have a good game or you have some moves or you have a highlight that you want to record. You save that replay if you weren't recording before and just go back and then record it with OBS at that point. That way you don't need to record all the games that you ever play. Just make sure that you save the replays when you are in gameplay. After your game, it'll give you the option to save the replay. If you're going to record like a training session or something like that, then you want to get OBS up and running before you start your playing. When you're done, you'll just go to stop and when you're done recording and you hit stop recording, it will all save to a Rocket League folder. There it is. Search for Rocket League in your folder. You can double click it and you'll see the videos all will save right to here. The one that's recording right now is in the orange cone until you hit stop recording, then it will turn into a movie like this. It'll set up to save as an MP4, so you'll be able to just drag that into your Google Drive or use this computer to do WeVideo and make your highlight and edits within WeVideo. Hopefully that's helped. Ask me if you got any more questions. Thanks.